Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's jump to the today's topic. Today our topic is sometime students needs to calculate their average marks for their mark sheet. So there is a solution in the Python. I am here writing a code for that program that gives average number of the students marks. What are the average? So let's begin. So in our case, let's suppose paper one assign variable float. We want exactly what the 0.25, if in case in your matter. That's why we are writing here float. Then input. After input, enter the paper one number. So now paper 2 is equal to float input colon enter tape enter the paper to number semicolon and let's again, okay, like now paper 3 is equal to, we will write same code for that also. Enter the paper 3 number. So I think we will miss here sign symbol. So in this case we want to calculate average. Average is equal to test 1, okay, plus test, sorry, paper 1 plus paper 2 plus paper 3. Now what's happening here, something I think paper 2 plus paper 3. Okay, now this will divide it by 3.0 because there are three subjects. So we are, if in case there are many subjects, as many as if you have five subjects, then you will write 5.0. So let's print our result. What is the average score of your papers is, here we will write comma and average. Okay, now run a program. Let's see it's working or not. So it will taking, so enter the paper number. Let's suppose we have 100 number marks paper. So I have got 50 marks. Then again 60 marks. In this 70 marks. Then this is your average. I've got 60 number average. Let's run again to clear your concept. So in case 50, 50 and 50, definitely 50 will be the average. So thank you. Keep watching.